Hey everybody, welcome back. We got back from the trip down to Safety Plus, and it's a great little place. It doesn't take long, hour and a half total, and it was a good experience. As far as how much it does, I know some of the channels act like it's the best thing since sliced bread, but and it is a great thing. It does help a lot, but it's not going to eliminate every problem. Um, you're still going to get blow by from the trucks. Uh, you're still going to get wind bothering you, things like that. But most of it is eliminated, or at the very least, you're able to handle it. It'll even if a truck blows by, it's not as severe. It seems like, and um, you don't have to overcorrect. It's a lot easier to deal with. Um, I was a little disappointed at first because I was concentrating on it too much on the drive back. And once I settled in, relaxed, and just drove, didn't even think about it, and I realized finally, wow, I hadn't driven this relaxed before in this RV. So it does do a lot of great stuff. It's well worth the cost, well worth the trip. Oh, and the cost too, if you take it to the factory, you don't get charged labor, so save yourself probably about $300 or $400. Nice little place. They're still moving into the building, and so they don't have that many employees there with them right now. But it was a really good experience. Spent the night there, boondocking their parking lot. Uh, they're going to be putting that RV park back behind where they're at right now, but that's still in the works. Um, I got to say, it was good. It was well worth it. I enjoyed the ride back once I relaxed and discovered that it actually was uh, making the drive so much better than what I ever had so far. So, um, there's probably one or two other things I could probably do to the RV, uh, especially if I decided to go to the uh, larger, stronger sway bars. I may do that in the future. I'm not too concerned about it right now. Everything seems to work great. Um, you know, I did get an occasional gust of wind, and like I said, 50-mile-an-hour wind coming at you like that is a 50-mile-an-hour wind. I mean, you are, after all, a billboard on wheels driving down the road. So there's not much you can do about that. But it does a great job. So highly recommend it, and we will talk to y'all later.